Welcome to this year's Christmas Advent Crochet Along. I'm really excited about this. This is the first clue. Hopefully you've had a chance to see what materials you need. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it and you can go and watch that just so that you know what you need for this crochet along. We are not going to be using any of these for a while, so you can put these away. We're going to start with the main color, whatever the main color is that you chose, but it should be a light color. You want the other colors to stand out. So I'm using white. I would say white, gray, beige, whatever is a light color for you. To start, we are going to chain 19. Now this tutorial is beginner friendly, but I don't teach how to crochet in this video. So you'll already need to know how to do the stitches. But it is, if you already know the stitches, this will be a project that should be easy for you. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 19 stitches, and I will do that off camera and then come back. So why don't you pause to get 19 stitches or 19 chains on and then come back. So you should have 19 chains. We're going to put a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to double crochet 15 total. Not in the same chain. We're going to go down the line and go down to 15. 2, we are down to the last stitch. We did 15 double crochets and there's one chain left over. In this last chain, we are going to put 5 double crochets in that last chain. 1, 'easier said than done, huh? 2, 3. I am going, oops, I lost my third. I'm going to just crochet the tail in so I don't have to deal with tails later. This is 3. I lost it last time I did it. 4, 5. And then we are going to continue to double crochet down here in the next 14. So there, you're going to go down the backs of these 14, and I'll show you here what we're doing. Let me move it a little closer so there's a really good view. We're going to go into the back part of the chain. I'm going to try to crochet that tail in. Okay, so we're going to do 14 back here. So that's 1, 2, 14. And then there's one more. This is 34 double crochet so far. There's one more back of the chain right here, and we are going to put 6 into that. 1, 2, 3. All 6 go in the same chains, are in the same spot here. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to attach with a slip stitch. Here's what we have so far. We're going to continue. We're going to chain 3. We are going to double crochet in stitches 1 through 16. So let's do that off camera. We'll both pause I'll do the first one to show you. We're just going to go in here, and then 2 would be in the next one, and then keep going until you get to 16 double crochets, and then we'll come back 1 in each stitch all the way down to 16. All right, so these are 16. In stitches 17 through 22, we're going to put an increase, which means putting 2 double crochets in the same space. So we'll do that together. This is 17 right here. We'll put 2 double crochets in that stitch. This is 18, 2 double crochets in that stitch. This is 19, 2 double crochets in that stitch. Oops. I keep losing my stitches here. Next one's 20. We'll put 2 double crochets in that one. 21 is the next stitch. We'll put 2 in that. 22, this is the last one we're going to increase with for now. We are going to, in stitches 23 through 35, just put 1 double crochet in each stitch. So here's 23, and then for stitch 24 you would do 1 double crochet. So do 1 double crochet until you get to stitch 35 and come back. Let's pause here. That brought me to here. Now we're going to put an increase, or 2 double crochets in each of the rest of the stitches, which is 36, stitches 36 through 40. So this is 36. I put 2 double crochets in that. 37, 2 double crochets in that. 38. 39. 40. We're going to attach with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. We are going to go around one more time for today's clue, and then we will pick this up tomorrow. I have my stitch marker here ready to go because we're going to need to mark it when we're done. This will be the last round for today. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in stitches 1 through 16. So there's 1, there's 2. Let's go to 16 and then come back. I put 1 double crochet in stitches 1 through 16. Stitches 17 through 28, we're going to do an increase in each stitch, or 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. I'll do the first 2 with you, and then we will pause it and finish up to stitch 28 and then come back. I don't want to make these videos too long, so this would be stitch number 17. I'm going to put 2 double crochets or an increase in that stitch. And then stitch 18, same thing, 2 double crochets or an increase. Continue this on until stitch 28 and then come back. Okay, you can see how that came around nicely. So now we're going to put 1 double crochet in stitches 29 through 42. I'll just do the first 2 with you just to remind you. 1 double crochet, that is stitch 29. Here's stitch 30, just 1 double crochet in it, and continue on until you get to stitch 42. Okay, I'm up to stitch 42. Now the remainder of the stitches around, we're going to put an increase, or 2 double crochets in each of those, and then come around and attach with a slip stitch to the very first double crochet. So let's continue finishing the row, 2 double crochets in each of the stitches, and then attach, and then I'll just come back and show you, but this will be the last of the clues for today. All right, here's what we have so far. So I'm going to put my stitch marker in here, and then we will pick this up tomorrow with day 2's clues. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm so excited that you're participating with me. Have a great day.